Welcome to this presentation on Microsoft Copilot Studio, transforming AI-powered conversations. In this session, we will explore how Copilot Studio enhances business efficiency with AI-driven chatbots. Let's begin. Introduction to Copilot Studio. Microsoft Copilot Studio is a powerful platform that enables businesses to build AI-powered chatbots with ease. As part of the Microsoft AI ecosystem, it integrates seamlessly with Power Platform, Azure AI, and Microsoft 365. With its low-code and no-code capabilities, users can create intelligent virtual assistants to automate tasks and enhance customer interactions. Key features of Copilot Studio. Copilot Studio offers a wide range of features, including conversational AI with natural language processing, a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface for no-code development, and integration with Microsoft 365 and third-party applications. It allows multi-channel deployment on websites, Microsoft Teams, mobile apps, and even social media platforms. Additionally, AI-powered insights and analytics help track performance, while enterprise-grade security ensures compliance and data protection. How Copilot Studio works. Copilot Studio follows a structured approach to chatbot development. First, users design the chatbot flow using a visual interface. Next, they train the chatbot with AI models and predefined responses. The chatbot can then be integrated with Power Automate to streamline business processes. Once ready, it can be deployed across multiple platforms. Finally, businesses can monitor and optimize the chatbot's performance using AI-driven insights and analytics. Advantages of using Copilot Studio. Microsoft Copilot Studio provides numerous benefits. It is cost-effective, reducing operational expenses by automating repetitive tasks. It saves time by instantly handling customer queries and internal requests. Businesses can improve customer experiences with 24/7 availability. Seamless integration with SharePoint, Teams, and Dynamics 365 enhances productivity. Additionally, Copilot Studio is scalable and flexible, adapting to business growth and automation needs. Use cases in different industries. Copilot Studio is transforming various industries. In business and IT, chatbots assist with IT help desk and HR support. In healthcare, virtual assistants help schedule patient appointments. Financial institutions use AI-driven customer support for banking queries. Retail and e-commerce businesses deploy chatbots for product recommendations and customer service. Even the travel and hospitality sector benefits from AI assistants handling bookings and frequently asked questions. How businesses can benefit from Copilot Studio. Businesses can leverage Copilot Studio in multiple ways. Automating customer support reduces human intervention in FAQs and service requests. Internal processes such as HR and IT support can be streamlined using AI-powered chatbots. AI-driven customer engagement enhances lead generation and sales. Additionally, AI insights help businesses make data-driven decisions, improving overall efficiency and customer satisfaction. Copilot Studio versus other chatbot platforms. How does Copilot Studio compare to other chatbot platforms? Unlike many alternatives, Copilot Studio offers an intuitive no-code development experience. Its AI and natural language processing capabilities are more advanced than basic chatbot tools. With seamless integration into Microsoft 365 and Azure, it provides enterprise-grade security and compliance. These features make it a superior choice for businesses looking to leverage AI-powered automation. How to get started with Copilot Studio. Getting started with Copilot Studio is easy. First, sign up for Microsoft Power Platform. Then, access Copilot Studio and create your first chatbot using the Visual Designer. Configure automation by connecting with Power Automate and other business applications. Deploy the chatbot across multiple channels, such as Teams, SharePoint, or websites. Finally, use AI-driven analytics to optimize performance and enhance user experiences. Future of AI and Copilot Studio. The future of AI chatbots is evolving rapidly. Microsoft continues to enhance Copilot Studio with new AI-driven capabilities. As businesses adopt AI-powered automation, they can stay ahead of the competition by leveraging these tools. Preparing for an AI-driven future means embracing automation, improving customer experiences, and optimizing workflows for maximum efficiency.